Assalamualaikum students, this video lecture is for pre-9th class, subject English A, lesson number 6, the Kai's Vision and Pakistan. Students, today we will do its grammar, and it's in grammar. First is adverb. An adverb is a part of speech used to describe a verb, adjective, clause or another verb. It simply tells the reader how, where, when or the degree at which something was done. And there are some examples of adverb, like the first example is the manager accepted the challenge very nicely. And students, keep it in your mind that adverb often ends at ly. In this example, the italicized word is an adverb that describes nicely, which is another adverb. And second example is surprisingly, and the cubicles of the public restroom are clean. In this example, surprisingly is an adverb. And students, in adverb there are some kinds of adverb, like adverb of place, adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of frequency, adverb of degree. And so let's start. In adverb, a word that modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb is called an adverb. Adverbs usually come in the following positions in a sentence. For example, she was singing beautifully. It is adverb of manner. At a concert, adverb of place. Here place is given, it is adverb of place. Last Sunday, adverb of time. Here time is given, so it is adverb of time. It was your adverb. And our next is infinitives. In infinitives, infinitives are verb that functions as a noun, adjective or adverb in order to express an opinion, purpose of an object or action. And infinitive usually begins with the word to, and is followed by the base form of a verb. And examples of infinitive include to read, to run, to jump, to sing. And students, remember that although infinitives are verb, they do not function as verb. Okay, some examples of adverb are I love to sleep. Now in this sentence, love is verb and to sleep it is infinitive, because the infinitive begins with the to, so to sleep is infinitive. And in second example is to help others is so important. In this sentence, adverb is is, and infinitive is to help. So let's start infinitive. You are free to go to your masjid. Now here to go is infinitive, because to is in this sentence, with this to is coming, so it is infinitive. He made the people work. Now see, in this sentence, the words given in bold have no subject. We say that to go is the infinitive of a verb. Sometimes to is used, as in example A. Sometimes infinitive without to is used, as in example B. So this was your today's lecture, and now you will solve examples according to adverb and infinitive on your textbooks. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.